Hello guys, and welcome back to Unlock Force for another useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix verification field this Apple ID is not active. So guys, if you're facing this problem, you will have to watch this video till the end to fix your problem. So the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to restart your device, and if your problem is not fixed, you will have to force restart your device. So guys, the first solution to this problem is that restart your device and try, and after this force restart your device to fix your problem. So guys, the second solution to this problem is that you will have to tap on settings, and then from here you will have to tap on your Apple ID, and from here you will have to make it sure that there is no payable payments remaining on your Apple ID. So as if there is any payable payment on your Apple ID, you will have to pay it first. After this guys, you will have to make it sure that there is no unusual activity on this Apple ID. So guys, make it sure that there is no any unusual activity on this Apple ID. So the third solution for this problem is that you will have to reset your Apple ID password. So guys, you will have to reset your Apple ID password to fix this problem. So guys, open your profile, tap on password and security. So guys, from here you will have to change your password, and after this you will have to try to fix your problem. So guys, the fourth solution to this problem is that you will have to make it sure that your software is updated. So guys, open settings and tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, from here you will have to make it sure that you are updated to the latest version of your iOS software. So guys, if there is any software available on your iPhone, you will have to download and install this update to fix this problem. So guys, the final and last solution to this problem is that you will have to contact Apple support. So guys, open Safari, type here support.apple.com. here it is, then select your device, scroll it below all the way, and then tap on get support. So guys, from here you can get official Apple support from the Apple authorities, which will help you to fix your problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.